Hey everybody, I'm Travi-O, and today I think we should learn how to draw some simple animals, like a cat and a dog. Let's get started with drawing a cat. Can you spell cat with me? C-A-T. Cat. Good job. First thing we'll need is a black marker to do the outline of the cat. Can you spell black with me? B-L-A-C-K. Black. Let's go ahead and get started. For the cat's head, we'll just draw a real simple circle. I'll go ahead and give him some ears. I like to just do little triangles for ears. And to make him look a little more real, I like to draw these little back lines on him. Alright, let's give him some eyes. And for a nose, I like to do a little upside down triangle. And then two little swoops for his mouth. And then let's give him some pupils in his eyes. And now let's give him some dots for his whiskers. And there's no mistakes when drawing. Anything you do just makes the drawing that much more uniquely yours. Alright. Let's give him a nice sort of oval shaped body. Let's give him a paw. And another paw. Two paws. And let's give him some toes. Okay, now let's give him some legs. And now we gotta give him a tail. And look at that, we drew a simple cat. How easy was that? And next, we need to color him in. Now I've seen a lot of cats that are orange. Can you spell orange with me? O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Now let's go ahead and color in his body orange, and then we'll color in the details. Okay, now we've got his body filled in. Let's go ahead and color in his tail and then his face. Alrighty. Now we have his body and his tail colored in. Now we just need to get his face and some of his details. And look at that, we have his body, his head, and his tail colored. Now let's just get his ears. Alrighty, now we have the majority of the cat colored in. Now we need the details like his nose and his ears. For his nose and his ears, I've seen a lot of cats with a pink nose and pink ears. Can you spell pink with me? P-I-N-K. Pink. Ta-da! Look at that nice looking cat. Wasn't that fun to draw and color in? Yay! Good job, everybody. Okie dokie. I think the next animal that we should draw is a dog. Can you spell dog with me? D-O-G. Dog. Alrighty, let's go ahead and get started with our dog. First, let's draw his head. A nice round circle to start off with his head. And now another round circle down here to represent his long snout. Let's see here, we'll give him an upside down triangle for his nose. Go ahead and color it in black. Now we'll give him his eyes. 1, 2. And 2 little swooshes for his mouth. And now I'll go ahead and draw his first ear. And his second ear. And dogs generally have more floppy ears, whether cats' ears are usually pointy and stand straight up. But now we'll go ahead and give him a body and a tail. And we'll give him some little legs here. And some paws. Alright, now that we've got an outline of our dog, let's go ahead and color him in. Alright, to color in the dog, I've seen a lot of dogs that are brown. Can you spell brown for me? B-R-O-W-N. Brown. Okay, let's go ahead and start coloring his body brown. Okay, now that we have his body brown, let's color in his legs and his face. Now we have his 2 legs and his body colored. Now let's go ahead and color in his face. Okay, now we have the majority of them colored in. Now let's color in his ears, and I think we'll leave that white, just to leave a little more contrast. And look at that! That's a really good looking simple brown dog. Yay! Well, I sure had fun learning to draw a cat and a dog with y'all today, and I hope y'all liked this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos from Travi-O, hit subscribe down below. Thanks for watching, everyone. Tune in next time.